Welcome to iMakeup Brush Factory. We are a leading manufacturer of high-quality makeup brushes. We have been in business for over a decade and have a team of experienced professionals who are dedicated to creating the best possible brushes for our customers. Our brushes are made with high quality and are designed to flawless makeup application. We offer a variety of brushes to choose so you can find the perfect one for your needs. Providing our customers with the best possible service. We offer a satisfaction guarantee on our products so that you are making a wise investment. Invite you to browse our selection and learn more about our company. We are confident that you will be satisfied with our products and services. Here are some of the benefits of using iMakeup brushes. With high-quality materials that are gentle on the skin, they are designed to blend makeup evenly and flawlessly, and will last for a long time. They are affordable and accessible to everyone. If you are looking for a high-quality makeup brush that will help you achieve a flawless makeup look, then iMakeup brush are the perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching.